News.com. Hi, Miguel!
Hello po. Good evening to everyone. Para po kana Direct Mervin and Direct Manny. Nasabi po ni Sir Albert before in an interview that this show will shock a lot of people in terms of the scale of the production, in terms of the mounting. Ano po yung pwede nyong mabigay na idea sa audience sa behind the scenes, technical mounting, and the components of the story?
Aside from what we shown sa 12-minute AVP Direct.
Well, isang proof na lang nakikita nyo sa harapan nyo. No? To gather such a roster na ganito kalaki, ganito kahusay, in one teleserye, says it all, no? Kung gaano siya kalaki. I mean, these characters, these are fully fleshed out characters. At binigyang, justice talaga naman ng mga artista, yung ng mga characters nila. In terms of technical scale, nakita nyo na some parts of it sa pinalabas kanina. Yung iba mapapanood nyo sa unang araw pa lang. I mean, we didn't show everything, no? To give an element of surprise every day. Pero, ang lalaki ng eksena. Ang lalaki. May mga eksena sa taas ng sa ere, sa lupa, sa ilalim ng tubig. Maniwala kayo, may mga underwater scenes kami. May aeroplano, may helicopter, may barko. Lahat na yata. No? At syempre, ang nagpapalaki na naman sa teleserye, hindi yung mga ganitong kalalaking eksena. Kundi yung kwento mismo, yung narrative. No? It doesn't span only 3 generations. Iba-ibang pamilya, yung kwento talaga ang dito, masasabi ko
ang bida.
Bida. As I said earlier kanina doon sa unang kwento, it's just not a military drama. The military components, just the milieu, pero at the core of the narrative
it's
is still a central character, a very strong female character, torn between 2 warring families. Tapos idagdag mo pa yung isang pamilya na kikilalanin niya sa kwento, kikilala niya sa kwento, sina Maricel at si Arjo yun. So yun yung talagang nagpapalaki sa kwento.
Direct Mervin, gusto ka idagdag?
Yun na rin po yun.
Lagi na lang ganyan!
Sabi niya ni Direct, yung big scene ay big scene, no? Ako, na-overwhelmed din ako. Even kapag pinapanood ko yung mga footages na, yung mga rushes na nagawa na ni Direct Manny. Parang, mas challenge ka na gawin na maayos tignan.
Direct, saan dito yung main plot mo as a director? Sino dito yung...
For now, nahawakan ko yung Tiago's Rest House.
We're talking about...
Miss Eunice and Sir Pip.
Okay. Oo.
Yung plot ng dalawang bata.
Mervin tuloy. Loisa and Loisa and Ronnie.
And every now and then, ibang mga scenes like mga pocket scenes.
Okay. Okay, Joey tuloy. Ano to, Miguel?
Thank you. And last na lang kay Arjo. What was the challenge in portraying someone with autism? Paano mo inatake yung role?
Hirap i-explain. But, Direct Manny, kasi I'm a visual learner. I like watching movies, serving people. I'm very observant. So si Direct Manny actually, I was trying to contact him. He was busy. Eventually, we got in contact one day. Tapos sabi niya, there's a restaurant, one restaurant somewhere around the area. Sabi niya, kids who have the same condition as me, of the same age, are serving at to a certain time. It's somewhere there in Roses. It's really good food, by the way. But anyways, pagkain talaga yung punto ko. And then, yun, so I observed, I was talking to them. Thankfully, the owner actually was open to the idea. Direct Manny, sinamahan po ako. I watched a ton of movies, so much movies and videos of behaviors on YouTube. That was my assignment to myself. Yun yung pampatulog ko every night. I would watch hell out of videos and I would just be like studying the character from head to toe if I can. And I don't know, it was possible the first day on the set. I was close to palpitating already from Direct Manny, Maricel, Angel was on the set. I was so pressured, but thankfully with the guidance of Dreamscape, of Direct Manny, and the prod, everything became easier naman. But of course, it's still not easy doing it. There's a lot of preparation, observations, and research.
Actually, dagdag ko lang si Arjo, siya yung pinakakaibang preparation na ginawa dito.
Oo, may
Kasi
immersion
yung
ka.
ibang characters, ang paghahanda rin ginawa nila, immersion sa, sa mga kampo, tulad nung kanina sa ABP, no, training in terms of handling of equipment, protocols, etc. Pero si Arjo, iba. Tsaka si Arjo, he comes prepared every day. In character na siya, minsan nalilito ako, which is the real Arjo, tsaka feeling character niya. Tsaka yung siya talaga yung tumawag sa akin, asking for pegs, and then we identified...
Open ka naman sa pag-share ng mga
Yeah, we identified some films, and then I contacted people whom we can talk to, and then we had lunch nga in this restaurant, and then the next time na makita ko siya is already in character.
Wow. Miguel, you're